Hey guys, it's your girl Ebony Deshay and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a minute and it's been a while of me trying to figure out this whole content thing, but thank you to all those who have been following me since day one and keeping up with all my chaoticness. And to everyone who is new, welcome. Today's video is obvious. We're going to be maintaining these beautiful locks, and it is wash day and it is time. So we're going to be putting up one of my all-time favorite go-to protective styles that I always did on my afro before I locked my hair, and now it's even super fun to do it on my locks because it is an easy way for me to add color to my locks without actually bleaching my locks. So let's get on into this video because so many have been asking and waiting, and this is how I do my hair sometimes. Gotta switch it up. Let's get it. So here is what my hair looks like before I wash it. As you can see, I have a lot of new growth, but it just needs a little love and some TLC right now. So we're gonna shampoo it and then come back. Fully refreshed and washed, my scalp feels amazing. Oh, this feels so good. I love when my hair is kind of damp. It gives it a nice little feel, clean feel to it, and my hair, you can really see the length in it, but I love to see how soft and thick my roots are, my base, my foundation for these beautiful things. So I have already did some in the back. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but I'm gonna try my best. As you can see, I have some already put to the side that I want to put together. I'm gonna use my big clips to get some out the way, and we're gonna work with these two. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little of that locking gel on it, and then I'm going to do my retwist on my locks, and then I'm gonna pin it down once I have it as tight as I want it to be. It might look tight to you guys, but it's really not that tight. I think it's just the gel making it look neat, but I don't have them super tight, so we don't have to worry about the tension on my scalp. Once I get it, so I like to do a under crossing. When I'm doing my 2-strand twist, I like to go under, and the under crossing for me holds tighter versus if I did an over cross. I hope that sounds right, but you guys get the gist. So as I'm twisting the lock as I'm twisting them together. So I twist them individually, and I always check to make sure I got the space that I want. Your hair is gonna twist up as you twist down, and it's okay because it'll loosen up at the end, but you get the picture. Once I get it to where I'm ready to add my hair, then I'll stop, get the hair that I want, and you're gonna wrap the hair, okay, around your lock or your hair and twist. Okay, you see how that's wrapped around my lock? Twist it, and then you're gonna cross it over with the other one and do the same thing. Twist it as you're crossing it under. Twist. I hope I'm explaining this right. It's kind of hard to explain it versus actually doing it, but you're still just gonna twist it down, but you're just gonna make sure your extension is wrapping around your hair as you continue to twist down. You see how it's starting to blend? You just make sure you keep wrapping the hair around your hair until it's covered, and just keep twisting down. You see how it's starting to blend and look a little natural there? That's what we love to see. As I get done, I go back and I unravel it a little bit because it's going to get tight, as I said, when you're twisting it, but it'll loosen back up and you'll get, see how that looks nice and neat. And that's basically your twist. That's basically the twist. So let's watch it a couple of more times, and hopefully you can have a good look at what I'm doing. And it's easy to see, because this was actually pretty hard to record, believe it or not, but we got it. You're gonna use your small clips to clip your hair down as you retwist it, but for the most part, it kind of speaks for itself. So I'll just let you guys watch. So I have been noticing that I've been getting a lot of buildup in my locks. So I am looking to do a detox on my locks soon to see if it'll get rid of some of that buildup, as well as I'm moving away from products when it comes to my retwist. I think I'm gonna go with more of it just sticking to the wash and retwisting it and letting it dry. When it comes to using the Marley hair, each strand in the packet is pretty thick, so you can get any size of your desire. I've done the jumbo size, the medium size. On this look, I decided to take a strand and separate it in two, which I am so happy that I did, because it gave me way more hair to work with and less hair to put in my head. So believe it or not, this is gonna be a pretty full look, but very light, and that's what we love, because you don't want anything heavy on your scalp or on your head, especially when you have locks. You don't want anything too heavy and pulling and weighing them down, because they're gonna hold their own as it is. I'm also noticing that my face is popping out at you guys. Please overlook that, as Mother Nature is in town and she loves to play games with your girl's skin. But in the meantime, that's a whole nother video for a whole nother day that I look forward with going over skincare with you guys. Maybe getting some tips and tricks. Check this out. This is one pack so far, one pack of hair that I've used, and I am loving the lightness of this style already. Hey guys, so it's a new day and I finished my look off camera. Yesterday, hubby came home from work. We got dinner. We sat down and watched one of our favorite shows, and before I knew it, I was done. I was done, okay? So let's just get into this finished look, shall we? Let's get into it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me across all platforms.